So what we're going to look at today is how to change the default units for your parts, assemblies, and drawings. This can be very handy if you're taking your certification exams, as all of those are in millimeters, grams, and seconds. And when you first start the program, when you first install it, you will pick your units, and at that point in time, those units kind of get set into what your default part assembly and drawings are. So this is how you would change those. So what we'll do is we'll start out by choosing a new part here. And you can see it comes in as inches, pounds, and seconds because that's what I had chosen when I installed the software. So what we want to do is we'll come down here and we can go here and we can say edit document units. And we'll change this to millimeters, grams, and seconds. We say OK. So now you see it adjusted it there as well. Now what we'll want to go after that is we'll go up here and we'll click the Save As. And in this part here, there are right now it's saving as a parts file in Solidworks. And what we want to do is we want to change that so that we're changing it as a part template right here, this part DOT file. Click that and you see it brings you into where the template files are in Solidworks. And so you could save it as a part 1 or a part metric, and then when you start it up, you could choose that as your template. But the thing is when you just choose part at the very beginning, it's going to go to this very first selection for your template. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to select that, and then I say save, and it's going to say it already exists. Do we want to replace it? We say yes. All right. So now we're saved as a part template. So now we can close this. And now when we go up here and we say new, and we go down and we choose part, we say OK. It comes in millimeters, grams, and seconds. And so you just do that for all of your stuff. So let's just, let's see here. If we'll close this out, we'll pick a new assembly, right? So here's our new assembly. Say OK. Once again, you can see it starts up inches, pounds, and seconds. We want to say cancel, and we'll close that because you can't do anything until you close that because that's bringing in your parts for your assembly. Once you've done that, we can go here, we can close this, we'll change it to, we'll edit document units, and we'll change it to millimeters, grams, and seconds, and we say OK. And then we go up here, and same process, we do save as. It's not going to be a part DOT, it's going to be an assembly DOT. So you want to look for assembly template. There it is. And we say we want to choose the one that's already in there. We say save, and we want to replace it, yes. So now every time you start a new part or a new assembly, it comes in as millimeters, grams, and seconds. And that's how you do that. So like I said, short video. Hopefully this was helpful, and I will talk to you guys soon.